Okay, so if you've purchased a DIY divorce from some forms service online or you've downloaded it from the court and you end up needing more help, most of the time these services don't actually provide additional help. Or they don't know how to handle or resolve complex issues. So you end up having to go to a lawyer and essentially start over. At Hello Divorce, you can upgrade or downgrade your membership at any time. So let's say you DIY all your forms, you can end up using our legal document assistants to file and serve them for you. And that way you have a neutral party who's not only filing the documents for you, but is also ensuring that your spouse is in the loop. So instead of you or your spouse blaming the other for not getting something done or not sharing information with the other, instead you have this third party that you can rely on where both of you can get information and both of you know this is a trained and experienced legal professional who will get your forms